All right, it's go time, and I'm ready for a throwdown. You guys ready to watch? And here to give me one heck of a hard time, Food Network's Sunny Anderson and Katie Lee.
Ready to fight, you know what I'm saying?
You guys have done this together before, right?
Of course.
We have.
Yeah, don't remind us, Bobby, you did win the last time Katie and I were here.
So we formed a new girl group. You want to tell them the name?
It's called Revengeanay.
Revengeanay.
Revengeanay, I like
yes,
that.
We're here to seek revenge on you. Revengeanay. I rhyme, she sings.
I can't wait to hear this.
Are you afraid? This is only the start.
Who gonna check me, boo?
All right, who you got tonight?
Bobby, our first contender has worked for all of your friends. Alfred Bertali.
Oh, really?
Please welcome Angie Berry.
Bobby, this Italian stallion was ready to say arrivederci to you. Please give it up for Executive Chef Giuliano Matarese.
Angie, Giuliano, welcome.
Ciao.
Ciao. All right, guys, in order to get to me, you first must go through each other. I'm gonna give you 20 minutes, and you must make an ingredient of my choice, the star of your dish. And that ingredient is figs.
Figs are really popular in Italian cuisine. It's a really sweet, delicious ingredient.
Fresh figs tend to be pretty mushy. That is going to be the huge challenge.
There's lots of cool ingredients in there, but make it about the figs. Go.
I'm making caramelized figs with some blue cheese fondue.
First, I drop figs in the pot with some balsamic vinegar, tarragon, and some sugar for a really quick, delicious compote. But also, I want to make fried figs with goat cheese foam.
All right, guys, only 6 minutes. What's going on over here,
How are you?
Chef? Blue cheese, bacon, figs. Do you think you can beat Bobby?
I want to be his worst nightmare, to be honest with you.
Hello, how are you?
I'm dicing goat cheese and adding it to heavy cream. My plan is a goat cheese foam.
Ooh.
I throw it in a siphon.
So is this something you've done before?
No, but I can do it.
You gotta believe it for it to happen.
I put 2 chargers in and shake it so it aerates.
All right, good luck, guys.
I place the bacon on top of the watercress. Then there's caramelized figs,
They're beautifully caramelized.
my pomegranate relish on top.
Got a minute left.
I better move. I put down the fig compote, then the fried figs,
Might be a convert to the fried figs.
Really?
Don't hate on the fryer.
the goat cheese foam, and garnished with basil leaves and pancetta.
10, 9, 8,
I drizzle the blue cheese fondue and finish with a piece of bread.
3, 2, 1.
Time's up. Is this dish a winner? We'll see.
Katie and I are here because this is all about revenge.
Revengeanay.
Revengeanay, the new girl group.
It's all gonna come down to what you did with the fig to make it the star. Giuliano, tell us what you made.
I cooked some caramelized figs with maple glazed bacon and some pomegranate relish.
Reminds me of breakfast. You pour some maple on the pancakes. Oops, touch the bacon. That's what I'm talking about. I love the fig. I love the caramelized flavor, just really punching up the sweetness of it.
And then that funky note with the blue cheese, I really, really like it. And I wish you would have stopped there and edited a little bit. I think the almonds and the pomegranate seeds don't necessarily add anything to the plate.
But I love the fig. It is delicious.
Thank you so much.
So Angie, please tell us what you made for us.
I made fig 2 ways, fried fig, fig compote, along with goat cheese foam. It's garnished with pancetta and basil.
I have to be honest, I was really doubting you when you fried those figs, and it turned out delicious. It does add this nice crunchy element.
And the jam. Oh, jam. The jam is so crazy delicious, but your foam, it didn't deflate. It's just more like a sauce. It's there as a backdrop.
I think it was a missed opportunity. Sunny and I have a tough decision, shall we?
I mean, this could go either way. Giuliano had that classic bacon and fig combination, but I'm gonna give Angie some props for frying them. I've never actually seen that before.
The chef that will be moving forward to Beat Bobby Flay is Chef Angie.
I don't agree with them, but this experience was really fun. I'm extremely happy that I created an amazing dish.
Angie, we really felt there were some things about you that could get in that kitchen and slay the dragon today.
Revenge-ene.
Congratulations, Chef. Why don't you tell us what we're cooking tonight?
This is something that you've prepared before and won.
Here.
Yes.
Ooh, she's nasty.
Okay. What's your signature dish?
My signature dish is shrimp and grits.
She said, I see your shrimp and grits, and I raise you my shrimp and grits.
She's not afraid. I like this girl.
I did this when we first started doing this show in season 1. Game over. But, you know, I'm ready to put my shrimp and grits back on the line. Why not?
Let us tell you the rules.
We've got 3 experts standing by for a blind taste test.
You have 45 minutes to make the best shrimp and grits you've ever made, and your time starts now. Whoa, whoa, are these blue prawns?
I stole them from Angie.
Bobby.
Is he using blue prawns?
They're just a garden.
Copycat all around! Copycat all around!
I mean, it's a shrimp and grits battle. All shrimp are fair game. I have the title to defend.
Along with the prawns, I'm also adding crab meat with lemon juice.
Ooh, Angie's got some crab. Yum.
It brings me to the next level.
That sweetness from the crab.
I love her. This woman is speaking to me in tongue.
Better not say that too loud or else Bobby will go grab some crab.
2 minutes, you guys. You gonna finish?
It's time to plate. Put some of the grits in the bottom of the bowl, some of the spice-crusted shrimp, garnish it with the blue prawn shrimp head. The flavor of the head is really amazing. Some bacon, some scallions, and some pickled red chilies.
I have to get this on the plate. I put the uni grits down, then the prawns,
10, 9, 8.
sliced shishito peppers, the crab meat, and I finish with the crispy okra.
2, 1.
Angie, Bobby, congratulations. I'm gonna introduce you now to your judges.
The chef and innovator of Restaurant Associates, Ed Brown,
Owner of Vermilion Restaurants, Rohini Day.
and national critic and food writer, Corby Kummer. Judges, as you can see, today's challenge was shrimp and grits. Please enjoy the plate in front of you.
I loved the elegance of the conception of this dish, the lushness of the shrimp, the creaminess of the grits, and I liked the way the uni kind of substituted for the usual salty depth of bacon. The wine gave this French elegance to it, but it had quite a winey after flavor.
The shrimp are cooked well, and the grits are nice and creamy. But I didn't think the Jonah crab really had any place in the dish. I just thought it seemed to be an extraneous ingredient.
For me, loved the crispness of the okra, but I could have used a little bit of spice or something to zest it up.
All right, judges, please try the second shrimp and grits.
It's got some kick. It's got bacon. Bacon, green onions, garlic, and spice. That represents shrimp and grits in my mind. I like the taste of the grits. I wish they would have been a lot creamier, but I really like the bold flavor of this food.
Love the peppers, the spice encrusting on the shrimp. I would agree with Ed that the grits themselves could be a lot creamier, but this was a symphony of flavors and textures.
I loved the southern heat of the pickled Fresnos, but the grits were kind of congealed, and I'm used to the creaminess like Ed. Overall, I thought there was a little too much spice, even though I liked the punch of the flavors.
Well, there can only be one winner, so you gotta take a vote.
Angie's grits are cooked perfectly, but so far I'm undefeated in the shrimp and grit department, and I like to keep it that way.
It is a split decision.
And the winner of Battle Shrimp and Grits is... Who gonna buy me a drink at the bar? It's Bobby Flay.